Good morning. This is Daniel Jackson, Absolute Carpet and Tile Cleaning. Today is the first, I believe, today is the first, August the 1st. And we're here, I'm doing a hardwood floor here. As you can see, it needs to be cleaned and polished. I'm just finished sweeping up and doing a little, getting up all the dirt and dust. Now right here, as you can see, it's missing some, it's got some scrapings right there, and a couple over there. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be using some of these products right here to fill that in. And once I've done that, then I'll complete the process of cleaning and putting on a coat of, or actually 2 coats of gloss, and making this place look much, much better. As you can see here, there's some scratches and things right here. I'm gonna try to blend that in, and we'll see what the results look like. But I'll keep you guys posted. All right. Hey guys, this is Daniel Jackson again. This is my my first coat on the floor. That's fresh right there. What I did is I did a top scrub with a maroon pad and a white pad on top of it. And this is my first coat of polish. As you see, this looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go around and do a second coat once everything dries up, and should be good to go. Now over here, I threw some stain on there because I want to let it dwell. Then I'm going to clean it up. Remember the scratches that was over here? I took care of that. You don't even really see them like that anymore. So everything's coming along just great. And I'll get back to you guys on the finished product. Peace.